It's the end of December 2020. We are already, I think, in the second or third day of lockdown, third lockdown in Israel. As you can see, the shops are closed. A lot of traffic in the street. I think people are looking at that situation in different highs. More than 500,000 of Israelis already got the vaccination to corona. I'm gonna get it in about a week from now. But you can see people outside. A lot of them are wearing masks, not a lot, not all of them. We are at the center of Tel Aviv. I don't know if you can see that square there. There's a square which symbolizes the center heart of Tel Aviv. Then here it is, another broadcast about coronavirus, COVID-19 in Israel. Third lockdown. Yes.